Good day everyone. Today we're going to be looking at comparing fractions. Okay, in order for us to compare fractions, we're going to be using the inequality signs. That is greater than, less than, and equals to. We're going to use the signs. Okay, if you're having two fractions that are having the same denominator, you can see that these ones are having 5 and 5, they are denominators. You look at the numerator, the one with the bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. So it means 4 all over 5, 4 all over 5 is the bigger fraction. Simple, right? We'll move on to the next one. The next one, you observe that the numerators are the same. So if you have fractions that the numerators are the same, so all you need to do, you concentrate on the denominator. The smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. So it means 8 all over 10 is bigger than 8 all over 12. So this is the bigger one. Easy, you can see. Then the last one, here we are having a total different fraction. We are having 6 all over 7 and 5 all over 8. They both have different numerators and different denominators. So how do we go about this? We need to cross multiply. We need to cross multiply. You take the 8 here and times it by the 6 here, and take the 6 here and times it by the 5 here. So you have to cross it. That's all you need to do. So 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, you just write it so that you don't forget. Then 7 times 5 is 35. So 48 and 35, which is bigger? So 48, so it means this fraction is the bigger one to your light. And that is how to compare fractions, with both having the same numerators, the same denominators, and different numerators and denominators. Thank you for watching. Bye.